Hi there, class. I have my BYU Idaho t-shirt on to talk with you about your midterm feedback for me. So when I get to it, just so you know kind of how it looks, you get the midterm feedback, and they talk about the different sections. Am I building faith in Christ, developing relationship with students, inspiring love for learning, online teaching skills? Just based on what you click, that's kind of what I get. So the things I'm seeing that are going well for me are I'm posting meaningful announcements, I'm enthusiastic, I'm knowledgeable about that subject, I'm an active participant in the course, I respond promptly, I regularly share uplifting messages and announcements. And then if I go down to things that are not as strong, these are more grading assignments promptly, and I wanted to talk to you about that. The school expectation is that we grade your assignments within 1 week. So me grading your assignment on a Thursday evening is well within that parameter. So you may be used to teachers grading things more quickly, but for essays and for paragraphs and in English at least, I just want the time to read your work and just be able to read it closely, and that's why it takes a little bit longer, just so you know. Using technology and tools effectively, I'll keep working on that, and helping you to feel motivated to learn and apply what you learn in your life, and connect with you by sharing personal experiences and feelings. So thank you for that feedback. And just a little bit more, I'll scroll here. This just says, what could the instructor work on? What are the greatest strengths? So if we just look at things to improve, find the way to make the course a little less content heavy. The course is just set up with a lot of reading, and it's set up the way that on-campus courses are. It was created by Professor Josh Allen, who just loves to have students read as many great texts as humanly possible in a semester. So I do love that you're getting exposed to so many things. I know that it's fast, and if you can't finish a book during our semester, tuck it away and finish it after the semester. Just do the very best that you can do, and just be excited about what you're learning. And then some more prompt grading on the work. Again, I'm going to keep to my Thursday deadline for myself and provide a weekly meeting. That would be very fun. And if there is a special week that you would like to talk, or something that you really want to talk about in a class meeting, let's set one up. I wouldn't set it up for every week, but I would love to have one or two during the semester. I think that'd be wonderful. Email me your ideas. And then more specific feedback. Some people like the feedback. I'm hearing here that there's good feedback, fair grading, exact feedback. So when it's a mixed bag, a lot of times if you're asking for specific feedback and you're not getting it, it's because you're achieving the assignment. And so I'm just saying spot on. But will you write special notes for me when you submit your work? Can you say, I'm really working on clearly talking about symbolism in this passage. Can you help me see how I did? So if you write to me and communicate in the notes, I can give you some specific feedback that you're searching for. And I hope that this is helpful for you. It's sure been helpful for me to see your feedback. Thank you so much.